As of 2025, the landscape of app installation on EETV boxes has evolved significantly. Understanding how these devices work is crucial for anyone looking to expand their entertainment options. The EETV Pro Box, their main 4K model, serves as the foundation for EE's television services. This device runs on a modified Android TV platform, but with significant restrictions compared to standard Android TV devices. EE maintains tight control over their TV platform through technical restrictions. The device uses an ARM-based processor with limited storage and a restricted bootloader that prevents users from easily modifying the system. The official EE App Store serves as the primary method for installing applications. While the selection is limited compared to the Google Play Store, all apps are pre-tested for compatibility and performance on EE's platform. EE TV boxes come with a comprehensive set of pre-installed applications covering major streaming services and entertainment platforms. Recent additions include Amazon Prime Video in 2024 and official Disney Plus support since 2023. EE carefully manages app selection for several important reasons. Content licensing requires negotiations with providers, while performance optimization ensures apps work reliably on their hardware. Security and stability are also key concerns for maintaining a consistent user experience. The current state of EETV boxes in 2025 shows both progress and continued limitations. While EE has expanded their app selection and improved integration with their 5G services, the platform remains restrictive compared to open Android TV systems. The primary method for installing apps on EETV boxes is through the official EE App Store. This is the recommended and most reliable approach for most users. Users simply navigate to the Apps section of their EETV interface, browse through available categories, and select their desired application. However, the official EE App Store has significant limitations. The selection is severely restricted, with only approximately 50 to 100 apps available, compared to thousands on standard Android TV platforms. Users cannot access the Google Play Store and are unable to install any applications that haven't been specifically approved by EE. This creates a very controlled but limited ecosystem. For advanced users seeking more app options, sideloading presents an alternative method. However, this approach has become increasingly difficult due to recent security updates. Sideloading requires specific technical knowledge and tools. Users must enable USB debugging through developer options and use ADB, the Android debug bridge, to install APK files. Sideloading comes with significant risks and limitations. It voids the device warranty, apps may not function properly due to missing Google Play services, and there are security risks from unofficial sources. Recent updates in 2024 and 2025 have made sideloading even more challenging. EE has implemented enhanced security measures that block many traditional sideloading methods, making the official App Store the most viable option for most users.